So when we started this business, we wanted to build things that were of the best quality, using the best components, handmade by a small group of people, our family, but still reasonably affordable. There's a lot of information, sometimes misinformation, about what constitutes premium leather. It's widely thought of in the real leather industry that the best leather is cow leather. It's the most popular. And it's a byproduct of the meat industry. And when the hides and the cows are harvested, the hides are then sold to tanneries, who then take that hide, clean it up, and turn it into leather. There are principally two ways of turning a cowhide into leather. You can take a chemical bath or a natural organic vegetable bath to remove the flesh and the hair off the hide to turn it into leather. Chemical tanning takes about 24 hours. It uses hexavalent chromium 4. Organic tanning uses tree bark, and vegetable tannings naturally takes about 14 days. We use vegetable tan leather from Wickett Craig in Pennsylvania. We try to source as many things as we can here in the U.S. We make everything in East Tennessee, and it's the best leather on the planet. We also get what's called #1 hides, and it's the outermost part of the hide, the full grain leather of the hide. So when you get a product from us from Happy Hollow Farm in Tennessee, it's going to be made from the very best components that are available, and we stand behind everything that we do.